It's leg day Thursday. I took 2 days to rest. Yes. So when you take that much rest, you need to work it out. Day Thursday, let's get it, gang. See you at the gym. For me to get to the gym, guys, yeah, there's always this anticipation, like that's one of the reasons why I love the gym. Always anticipating something. I wonder what today will be like at the gym though. So yeah, this is my fit for the gym. I'll be wearing a shirt though. Simple. And big body. Yeah. Check out Casa on the link in my bio, on the link tree. You see Casa wears is there. Store, trust me. See you at the gym, my guys. We're done here, guys. That was a lovely workout. How it goes. See you tomorrow. Yeah, peace. See you tomorrow, guys. I'm leaving here at 6:10, man. 6:10. That's the way till I get my money.